Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge them and power them on because low battery can interrupt pairing. Next, enable Bluetooth on your smartwatch in settings so it can scan for new devices. Meanwhile, put your earbuds into pairing mode, usually by holding their button for 3-5 seconds so they broadcast a discoverable signal. Place the watch and earbuds close together, about 1 to 3 feet, and keep other Bluetooth devices or heavy Wi-Fi traffic away to reduce interference. Once done, open the Bluetooth or accessories menu on your smartwatch and let it scan. That's how it detects the earbud's signal. When the earbud's name appears, tap it to initiate pairing, and make sure you confirm any pairing code or accept a prompt on both devices. This step verifies identity and prevents accidental connections. If the watch requests permissions for audio or notifications, grant them so media and calls route correctly. After the initial connection, the devices usually reconnect automatically in future. You finish by testing audio. Play a short song and make a test call to confirm mic and output route to the earbuds. If you hear nothing, make sure the watch's volume is up and the earbuds are set as the default output device. Sometimes profiles like A2DP must be active. If pairing fails, try forgetting the earbuds on the watch and resetting the earbuds to factory pairing mode, then repeat the scan. If problems persist, reboot both devices to clear temporary Bluetooth glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.